So in this video I'm going to tell you that how you can design a CV or resume in Canva. So let's start. So first of all you have to write Canva here. After this you have to search resume here. Resume or CV, you can type both of the words. I'm going to search resume. After searching resume you are going to see here a lot of templates. You can use any templates you want. For example, I'm going to search let's see some templates and choose any. I'm going to use this one, so click on this. After clicking on this you have to click here customize this template. So let's click. As you can see our window is opened and here's our CV. So first of all I'm going to zoom it. After zooming we have to change the information. I'm going to change the name, so you have to double click here, write your name here, Safir Raza, and then write your designation here. For example, I'm going to write video editor. As you can see here are some text properties, text option or text tools, whatever you can say. So if you want to edit the text color you have to click here and you can change the color of text. For example, you want a white and any color you want, this one or this one, which color you feel that it suits. Any color you want you can use. So and here if you want to increase the font size you can increase the font size. If you want to make your text bold or if you want to make your text italic you can do it. Here are alignments, numbering, bullets, you have each and every option and you can zoom it more. Let's zoom, and here you will enter your mobile number, your email address and your website and your address. Here you are going to enter your experience. As you can see here you will enter your experience, expertise. Here you will enter your reference. Here you will enter your language. So as you can see here are the options. So if you want to change the color of this shape you have to click on the shape. After clicking on it you have to click on this option and you can choose a color from here. For example, I'm going to use this color. So I have selected this one and click here. If you want to change the color of text you have to click here, select as I told you, and you have to click here. For example, I'm going to use the white one and here's our text. Zoom it out. So as you can see here the CV. If you want to change the picture, this is the easiest way. You have to come here, upload. After an upload you have to upload your image. For example, I'm going to click on upload. After clicking on this I'm going to go downloads and choose any image you want to edit. For example, I want to add this image and then upload it. Your image will be uploaded here. Let it to be uploaded. Once your image is uploaded you can use in every project, in any project, anytime you want. So our picture is uploaded. You just have to do what? So picture is uploaded, you have to just drag your image and keep it here. Your image will be automatically adjusted. As you can see our image is here and you can change the color of the shape and all designs. Here you can easily change your text, your color, text properties. Now if you want to use it, there's a simple way how you will download or how you will convert it into a JPG or PDF. Here's a simple way. You have to click on share. After clicking on share you have to press or click on the download. After download you have to select your format, in which format you want your CV, in PNG, in JPG, in PDF. I'm going to click on PDF. So let's click on the PDF, download it. As you can see our file is being downloaded and our file is downloaded. I'm going to open it, click here and here's our CV. All the information, all the details are included which we changed, like the picture, colors we changed, and here you can see the result of CV resume. So in this way you can design a CV with the easiest way on Canva without investing your time and without investing your skills. If you are a beginner, so you can easily design the CV on Canva. So I hope you like this video. See you in the next one.